Huawei, a Chinese tech giant, has made a strategic decision to reduce its reliance on foreign technology. This move comes amidst escalating trade tensions between the United States and China. Huawei's solution is to invest heavily in developing its own line of processors, known as Kirin. This bold move aims to grant the company greater control over its supply chain and reduce its dependence on companies like Qualcomm, a leading US chipmaker. Huawei's decision to prioritize its Kirin processors is a significant development in the global tech landscape. It underscores the company's commitment to achieving technological independence and navigating the complexities of international trade. This strategic shift has the potential to reshape the dynamics between Chinese tech companies and their international counterparts. The move towards self-reliance is not without its challenges. Developing advanced processors requires significant expertise, resources, and time. However, Huawei has demonstrated its commitment to this endeavor. The company has invested heavily in research and development, attracting top talent to design and produce its Kirin chips. Huawei's decision to embrace its own technology is a testament to its ambition and its long-term vision. This strategic move positions the company to navigate geopolitical uncertainties and establish itself as a leader in the global technology arena. By controlling its own destiny, Huawei aims to secure its future and shape the landscape of the tech industry for years to come. At the heart of Huawei's strategic shift is the Kirin 9010 processor. This powerful chip is a testament to Huawei's growing technological prowess. The Kirin 9010 is designed to power Huawei's flagship devices, offering enhanced performance, improved energy efficiency, and advanced capabilities. The Kirin 9010 has already made its debut in Huawei's latest smartphone offering, the Pura 70 series. This new flagship series showcases the capabilities of the Kirin 9010, delivering a premium user experience with lightning-fast processing speeds, stunning graphics, and advanced AI features. However, Huawei's ambitions for Kirin extend far beyond smartphones. The company recognizes the potential of its chipsets to power a wide range of devices. As part of its expansion strategy, Huawei has announced plans to incorporate Kirin processors into its notebook computers. This move into the notebook market marks a significant step for Huawei. It allows the company to compete directly with established laptop manufacturers, leveraging the power and efficiency of its Kirin chips. The introduction of Kirin-powered notebooks is a clear indication of Huawei's confidence in its technology and its determination to become a dominant force in the global tech industry. Huawei's decision to develop its own Kirin processors is partly driven by the ongoing trade tensions between the United States and China. The US government has imposed restrictions on Huawei's access to American technology, including chips from companies like Qualcomm. This move has created significant challenges for Huawei, limiting its ability to source crucial components for its devices. In response to these restrictions, Huawei has accelerated its efforts to become technologically self-sufficient. By developing its own chips, Huawei aims to reduce its reliance on US suppliers and mitigate the impact of trade restrictions. The Kirin processor series is a direct result of this strategy, allowing Huawei to maintain its position as a leading technology provider despite external pressures. Huawei's situation has also highlighted the vulnerabilities of global supply chains. The interconnected nature of the tech industry means that disruptions in one part of the world can have ripple effects across the entire ecosystem. This realization has prompted many companies to reevaluate their supply chain strategies and explore ways to enhance their resilience. The rise of Huawei's Kirin chips has also sparked a broader conversation about technological sovereignty. Countries around the world are increasingly recognizing the importance of developing their own technological capabilities. This is particularly true for critical industries like telecommunications and artificial intelligence, where dependence on foreign technology can have significant economic and security implications. Huawei's expansion into notebooks with Kirin processors represents a significant milestone for the company. This move demonstrates Huawei's commitment to diversifying its product portfolio and leveraging its technological advancements to enter new markets. By incorporating Kirin chips into its notebooks, Huawei aims to deliver a seamless user experience across its devices, creating a unified ecosystem that caters to a wide range of consumer needs. The Kirin PC chips are specifically designed to meet the demands of modern computing. These processors offer a balance of performance and energy efficiency, enabling Huawei to create notebooks that are both powerful and long-lasting. With features like advanced graphics processing and integrated AI capabilities, Kirin-powered notebooks are well equipped to handle demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and machine learning applications. Huawei's entry into the notebook market is expected to intensify competition in the industry. As a major player in the smartphone market, Huawei brings its brand recognition, marketing expertise, and global reach to the table. The company's competitive pricing strategy and focus on innovation could potentially disrupt the existing market dynamics and challenge established notebook manufacturers. Moreover, Huawei's expansion into notebooks is a testament to the versatility of its Kirin chipset architecture. The ability to adapt these processors for different types of devices highlights Huawei's engineering capabilities and its commitment to creating a robust and adaptable technology platform. This versatility opens up new possibilities for Huawei to explore other product categories in the future, further solidifying its position as a comprehensive technology provider. Huawei's journey towards self-sufficiency in chip design and manufacturing is a strategic triumph that underscores the company's resilience and adaptability. By investing heavily in research and development, Huawei has successfully navigated external challenges and emerged as a formidable force in the global technology landscape. The Kirin processor series stands as a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation and its determination to control its own destiny. The pursuit of self-sufficiency has not only strengthened Huawei's position in the market, but has also fostered a culture of innovation within the company. By overcoming the challenges of developing its own chips, Huawei has cultivated a deep understanding of the entire technology stack, from chip design to software integration. This holistic approach has enabled Huawei to create devices that are optimized for performance, efficiency, and user experience. Furthermore, Huawei's success in developing its own chips has inspired other Chinese technology companies to follow suit. This trend towards greater technological independence has the potential to reshape the global tech landscape, shifting the balance of power and fostering a more multipolar industry. As more companies strive for self-reliance, we can expect to see a surge in innovation and competition, ultimately benefiting consumers with a wider range of choices and more advanced technologies. Huawei's journey serves as an example of how strategic decision-making, coupled with unwavering determination, can lead to remarkable achievements. By embracing the challenges of technological independence, Huawei has not only secured its own future but has also paved the way for a new era of innovation and competition in the global technology industry. Huawei's commitment to innovation extends beyond its Kirin processors. The company is actively involved in cutting-edge research and development across various fields, including artificial intelligence, 5G networking, and cloud computing. These efforts are geared towards creating a connected and intelligent future, where technology plays a transformative role in every aspect of our lives. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Huawei is developing advanced algorithms and chipsets that power a wide range of applications, from image recognition to natural language processing. These AI capabilities are being integrated into Huawei's devices and services, enhancing user experiences and creating new possibilities. For instance, Huawei's AI-powered cameras offer advanced features like scene recognition and object tracking, while its voice assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated in understanding and responding to natural language commands. Huawei's leadership in 5G networking is also noteworthy. The company has been at the forefront of developing and deploying 5G infrastructure, enabling faster internet speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect billions of devices. Huawei's 5G technology is poised to revolutionize various sectors, including healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, by enabling real-time data transmission and analysis. Looking ahead, Huawei's future appears bright. The company's unwavering focus on innovation, coupled with its strategic investments in key technologies, positions it as a major player in the global technology landscape. As Huawei continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking products and services that shape the future of how we live, work, and interact with the world around us.